Welcome. We are here to assist with your buying and selling needs. Have questions or would like to schedule a personal tour? Give us a call today at 706-863-1775. Adorable home nested on the corner of a quiet cul-de-sac. This home features a foyer with a spacious great room with soaring ceilings, fresh paint and new wood plank flooring. The kitchen has loads of cabinet space, full tile backsplash, new stove, new microwave and wood plank flooring. The eat and breakfast room has a large new bay window that overlooks the backyard and allows for great natural lighting. The owner's suite with raised ceiling, spacious walk-in closet, ensuite bath with his and her sinks and fresh paint in bath. 2 other bedrooms and full bath complete this lovely home. Freshly painted deck off the back, easy access from the great room for some great outdoor entertaining. New HVAC system installed in 2016 and has been under a maintenance.